Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. You guys wonder what happened to me just working out and trying to put things together. Like you see my chokers, I have these for sale, as you guys know. And big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. And good afternoon. Sorry for my absence so long. But sometimes I can't get on camera and speak unless the Holy Spirit lead me to speak or that vibes lead me to speak. But that's one company just dry, so you know what I mean? So big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Positive day, positive day. God be with you and your family. Today I want to talk about something I saw on Facebook. And believe me, make my heart bleed. It really make my heart bleed. When me looking at the bush, me see one little girl that 3 or 4 years old. And them say somebody rape her. And they rape the little girl and chop her up with a machete. Because I must machete is to chop her up so. And I said to myself, my God, your world is really coming to an end, But tell me when me see that old one boy and see I him, this big old rusty king boy, could have taken dirty big old hood and force up in the little baby. Imagine what the little pitney feel when you force your big old body in a her. And when you done rape her, you chop her up and kill her. Motherfucker. Me I tell you, say Jamaica need to start hang on a little dirty bumbo clot again. Jamaica fi start hang on no blood clot again. Jamaica fi get serious and start hang out on no pussy clot. Jamaica fi get serious. It's no way and fucking hurt. You could do that to a fucking kid and you're walking around. Wait till police come, boy. You need somebody to hang you on a tree in front of the whole Jamaica, the whole community, and make them watch your shit, Grace, motherfucker. You don't need to sit down in a jail and yam food. You don't need to sit down in a jail for get your blood clot tarts pussy. Jamaica don't need to start hang them bumbo clot there. If we not start hang them pussy clot the Jamaica done. Because you see what the little blood clot murder when them come with. Them a murder woman, them a murder family, them a murder baby. Them a murder every blood clot body. And some of the police, them a do the same blood clot thing. And me I tell you, it's a bad thing. The police might kill half them woman over jealousy. Because they are the force and they have gun. Them a shot them, kill them. Gunman come in and kill out people family. Some of them a police a kill out people family. The world is coming to a fucking end. When me look and see the little girl lie down, mighty God of Daniel, that could have been me when I was young. Mighty God, when they rape me, but they never chop me up. So believe me, it touched me heart. And me I tell you, say no motherfucker, I hope somebody's done killing blood clot in a jail, I hope when he go in a jail, somebody killing pussy clot, Because he not deserve to sit down in a blood clot jail, I breathe for your next blood clot there when he hood 9 pants. You need to take off him blood clot clothes and skin him out in two like a split blood clot cane. Pussy fi dead. Pussy can't get up and rape 4-year-old little girl and do that to the poor little pitney. And I walk round. Them and catch him fi go lock him up. Then fi hang them dirty blood clot there. Jamaica fi start hang. Then fi start hang out them blood clot there. Get serious and start hang them on the roadside, hang them any blood clot way. When they rape babies and rape old woman and kill out family and they catch and murder them. Don't make they escape again. Hang them blood clot, you murderer. You want to kill people pussy. You want to be a bad man. You want to be a gunman, a gun you sling. Right? When they catch them blood clot, you hang them. Give them the gun for all of them and I hang them with the blood clot gun on them on. Push the gun on them blood clot short. While them a hang a letter for blood clot bullet. Stop rape the people and blood clot pitney them. Stop shoot out the innocent pitney them. One who kill out the Jamaican generation. What the own Jamaican people do to Ono? One who Jamaican people do to Ono? Nothing at all. Everybody out there fight to make a bread for eat. Jamaica not easy. Some people are fight to pay their rent so they not have to out the door. As simple as it at Jamaica. In a Kingston you can't get nothing free. Everything you have to buy. It's just like America. Every blood clot thing you have to buy. And a long time me no gone out there. But when me out there back in 1999, me I tell you that Jamaica run rough. And it hard for the people them down there. And nobody come out of them little hustling and little selling. I try taking a little girl pitney and send them go to school. And you go bumbo clot to rape her and chop her up and kill her pussy. You feel blood clot hang. Pussy, I hope your days are number. They are fucking number, pussy. Pussy, me I tell you, say, you know. People if it chop you up, then should make the police come and get you, you know. But guess what? You got dead too blood clot fast, pussy. You got dead too fast, and if you castrate your blood clot, take a sharp knife and just cut off your blood clot hood and make your seed spray like a blood clot standpipe. Too blood clot wicked. Jamaica forget serious. Get serious and not lock down the pussy hole of the gunman where I kill out people innocently. Door to blood clot door. All them talk about them now infam. And them are infam. But they say they are infam, but protect your blood clot family. Protect your blood clot neighbor. Who is who and who is who and mix up in a who. Don't be afraid to protect somebody else. Because you can't kill the perpetrator. Guess what? You have to report them blood clot, or you simple as well you poison them. Or you get somebody to poison them like a blood clot if you don't want to get nothing with them. Because some of them when police come and left them come back and kill us, so you talk upon them. So you have to friend them pussy all day. Sometimes you have to give them pussy and wine pan them cocky and make you feel like them witty and poison them blood clot food and get rid of them. I want them to you have to move like snake on the grass. Sometimes you take the line your own blood clot and with some of them pussy all in a Jamaica. We want to rape your daughter and rape your mother. I want to kill a blood clot family out for whatever means. When they come inside them, they rob people that come from foreign, then kill them too. After they work all these hard days in the blood clot cold, we don't know how hard it is in America. And come home now if we can get like a blood clot piece and still a go no want to beg and still come back and murder them blood clot for all. For all want to can blood clot get the kind of the bank there. Some blood clot in Jamaica start hang them blood clot there. Because Jamaica start hang them and they know fuck them. No, so when them fuck up and you catch them blood clot, and them go, watch if them now go blood clot change. You don't need that police man come talk about them are this and that and police and shoot down people. Go up on the blood clot road. Go down a Tivoli Garden. Go down a all them place to go church, motherfucker, Trench Town. Go down a Spanish Town. Go down the road to talk. And go down they go talk to people. You know, hand out little food and give the people and we are starve. The government drop off bag of rice and flour and feed the blood clot people them. And when gunman come to a big supermarket and threaten uno and take food from uno and give the community, I say it's right, it's wrong to threaten uno. But sometimes someone to blood clot wicked. But don't go for the poor people them and I shoot them and I kill them for what and then done not have nothing already. They must suffer just like you. Everybody have to go out there and hustle and try and make a bread to live and to survive because they live in rough, foreign or Jamaica anywhere you go. They live in blood clot rough. Me I tell you, it's wicked out there right now. The rent high, everything high, your cable, every blood clotting high. It boiling down to gravy. When you go out to make a money, you can't even really make a money really. From hand to blood clot mouth, because the world are end and everything are dry up. Everything is leaving the fucking earth. And these motherfuckers come now with them demonic blood clot spirit because I possess them, you know. When they say them pussy all that, they have to hang them and burn them blood clot body. Hang them and burn them body. Because when that spirit come out of them and gone somebody else, you can't let out none of them motherfucker out of blood clot jail. Remember me tell you, because when they get possessed by the blood clot devil, the devil make you rape the pitney and murder the blood clot pitney and make a sacrifice to the pitney life after a blood clot done. Pussy wall, me don't know how they fi kill in a blood clot jail and fi escape. They fi hang them blood clot they right down past Spanish Town Road. Hang them cross the blood clot straight. When they come and rape your daughter and kill your son and kill your father and kill your family, you catch them pussy all day. You fi hang them pan blood clot roadside. Hang them up, make the police come pick up the body hanging from a blood clot tree. You fi hang them. Make sure so you know them. Make sure you have the real witness. Make sure no fake witness and go hang the body in vain. But when they catch a pussy all they kill your family and shoot a blood clot family and a text it by your blood clot life like a dopey and use gun for threaten you if you come take what they want from you, take food from your shop and up here and want to come threaten you after then trust your grocery from your shop. You run a little business, then come and trust it out and I come threaten you with blood clot gun and I come like my gun is, you pray upon them blood clot there. And when you catch them one way, if you can't catch them, you have post, you look good and have nice data. Set a blood clot trap and catch the fish. Make him think them there with it, and him get to him want and wine pan in cocky. Make him feel good and just drop something in blood clot food and set him off. Push all of them, they feel dead. Them a rape infant. Them a kill infant. Them a kill a father. Them a put the baby upon them. Them a shoot school girl. And when the blood clot are going to Jamaica, hang out the whole of them blood clot. Me say fi hang out the whole of them pussy clot. Hang out the whole of them blood clot down Spanish Town Road. Make we see them a hang the blood clot parasite them. We a shoot the people, we a take sick from the people them life. Hang out them mama blood clot and the shopkeeper them we a sell food. No friend of pussy when him come with gun fi come kill you and take your food and I want pay. Just poison the blood clot and make him go on with that. Because if you get rid of him out of the blood clot community, I want him to use on a brain and clean up the blood clot place. Pussy will come at a 3-4-year-old girl. You rape and blood clot kill. And you go sit down in a government blood clot place and yam food. Probably you go smoke weed and probably sneak sell a phone in blood clot prison. Pussy a liar blood clot tell. Me I pray night and me I pray day. Me I pray night and me I pray day. So some spirit of that little girl could come in on me. So me can't sell for fucking torment. Your little blood clot. Prison is not enough for your pussy. Them fi take you out and hang you down past Spanish Town Road. Hang you down past Spanish Town Road. Because you're wicked and you're evil and you're terrible and you're possessed by a spirit and you must be hanged and you must be fucking burned. You must be fucking hanged and you must be fucking burned. Because you fucking rape a little girl, 3 to 4-year-old, and you chop her up with a machete and you kill her. An innocent child going to school. An innocent child that the mother carried for 9 months in her belly and give birth to. Cherishing a little girl with the Holy Spirit of God in her, an angel, because her spirit clean. And she's a clean little girl that just born and raising up in this world. And you can't give her a chance to fucking live. You can't give her a chance to breathe. You take a big old dirty wood and put in her, and when they done rape her and fuck her up, that wasn't enough. You kill her, motherfucker. You need to hang down blood clot Spanish Town Road. Them not for play. Jamaica not for stop blood clot play with them. Hang them. People wanna catch them, hang them on a blood clot self. When wanna catch them, hang them on a blood clot self with a rope. Hang them on the roadside, put up the sign, pussy. Put up a blood clot sign. Each and every one on a will be blood clot hang on a catch. Community, turn on detective, turn on blood clot police. Get out the gunman, get out the rapist, get them out. All can work together. All can work together and get them out of Jamaica. Another thing, the people and we drive taxi. And talk about them a big taxi man. And them a drive, some of them can't blood clot drive. Some of them start to learn to drive as somebody can them do on license and don't know how to drive. And then going on the road and them creating a terrible accident. And them speeding like it's an aeroplane them flying. And when they lick, everybody dead. Everybody dead. Look at all them little young girl where the whole of them dead. The whole of them dead, dressed in white going to a party. All of them bust up and crush out. You can't fucking drive on no license. You can't people vehicle take up out no around taxi up and down. The government to shut down. Make sure the person have a right license. If they're running taxi, they are properly licensed. People, when they're taking a taxi, make sure you take a taxi that you know. The person that you know personally, I find about a taxi is a regular taxi you've been using. Find out the background of the person who drive your taxi. The car where you go in. You need to know the taxi driver. You need to know his background information. Because you need to board that cab and you want to safe traveling to get to your yard. You don't want to board a taxi man a barack man car to make a little money. And him barely can't drive, go and drive, come, and you know what the fuck him doing. And injure your life, you're gone, next you know you end up crashing your blood clot dead. So know your taxi driver. Know what taxi you're getting in. Know if the person are a licensed taxi. Alright? Before you can go ahead and put your life into danger. Because some of these motherfuckers just want a cab fare. Them don't know how to drive, them don't. Every Jamaica, every accident I see people mash up and dead. Hardly nobody survive. You know why? They don't know how to drive and the speed they was going at. Everybody dead. So people, now come talk to know again. You hear? Hang those motherfuckers in Jamaica. Remember me tell you that.